This vertical charcoal offset smoker from Dynaglow offers quality, performance, and versatility with up to 5 cubic feet of cooking space. This model features an offset smoker box, which is designed to keep direct heat away from the food, an adjustable smokestack, and side damper that work together to improve the airflow and transfer of even heat and smoke into the primary cooking chamber, and 6 adjustable cooking grates that can be raised or lowered to accommodate up to 25 pounds of food per grate. This smoker is designed with a unique charcoal and ash management system that includes a removable ash pan, charcoal grate, and enameled steel charcoal chamber. The chamber improves the burn efficiency of the briquettes by keeping them packed tightly together on the charcoal grate. Raised edges on the grate keep the chamber in place when it is pulled out from the smoker box. Ashes from charcoal and wood are collected in a high-capacity ash tray. The tray is removable for convenient disposal of ashes before and after use. This smoker is made for ease of use with quick-release door latches for easy access, an easy-to-read temperature gauge with smoke zone to indicate the ideal temperatures for infusing smoke flavor. In addition to being easy to use, this smoker is also stylish with a powder coat black finish, beveled primary and offset doors, and chrome-plated wire handles. So take your grilling to the next level with the Dynaglow Charcoal Offset Smoker.
Signature Series vertical charcoal smoker from Dynaglow provides durability and performance with up to 681 total square inches of cooking space. This heavy-gauge steel smoker features pre-installed chrome-plated sausage hooks and 3 chrome-plated steel cooking grates to accommodate a variety of food types and sizes. The porcelain enameled steel charcoal chamber keeps briquettes tightly packed for an efficient startup and prolonged fuel consumption. A high-capacity enameled steel water bowl helps maintain a consistent temperature while minimizing evaporation during the cooking process. The removable bottom pan is designed to handle large amounts of ash and grease for hours of maintenance-free cooking. The side dampers and smokestack can be adjusted for additional heat and smoke control, and the professional-grade temperature gauge indicates the ideal heat range for infusing smoke flavor. Enjoy taking your outdoor cooking skills to the next level with this Signature Series vertical charcoal smoker from Dynaglow.
Char Griller on, finding inner happiness. It's been said that true happiness lies within. We couldn't agree more. The Acorn Kamado, with a 5-year burn-through warranty, this is